Welcome. If you're facing issues with Gmail calls, you're not alone. Today we'll guide you through the updated steps to fix those pesky Gmail call problems. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Update the Gmail app. Make sure you have the latest version installed. You can find the update in the Google Play Store. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable network. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data might do the trick. Step 3. Restart your device. Believe it or not, a simple restart can solve many issues. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings, select Apps or Application Manager, find and tap on Gmail, click on Storage, then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 5. Check app permissions. Head to Settings, select Apps, find Gmail, and make sure all necessary permissions are granted. Step 6. Reinstall the app. If nothing else works, uninstall and then reinstall the Gmail app. Step 7. Check for system updates. Make sure your Android system is up to date by going to Settings, then System, and finally System Updates. Follow these steps and you should be back to making calls in no time.